Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your phone model and carrier for RCS support, and make sure you have Android Messages or the carrier app installed. Once you have the right app, update it to the latest release because version mismatches block features. Next, sign into your Google account if the app asks, and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid cellular provisioning issues. Now tap Settings and open Chat features to start the activation process. Follow prompts to request provisioning. You proceed to enable chat features in Settings and tap Register. This sends a provisioning request to the carrier or Google RCS service. Allow permissions for contacts, SMS, storage, and network access. Those let the app verify your phone number and sync features. During provisioning, the app exchanges encrypted tokens. This can take a minute or two. If the app shows connecting, wait patiently. Once it flips to connected, test by sending an RCS message to a known RCS. You finish by confirming RCS features. Look for typing indicators, read receipts, or better media quality when messaging another RCS user. If those cues are missing, make sure both you and your contact have RCS enabled. Once done, try toggling chat features off and on, then reboot your phone to clear transient errors. If that fails, reset network settings or contact your carrier. They may need to reprovision your number. Quick tip: check for multiple messaging apps. Set the RCS-capable app as default to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.